Moo, you trying to get comfortable next to her? What are you doing? Boo-boo, you're digging your face in the pillow. Blanket, rather. Was that it? That's where his head was. You can see it. He made a spot for his butt. I'm dead. Oh, he's not done making it. That's cute. He made himself a bed. Look at that. Oh.
Good boy.
Good boy. Next to your sister. You gonna hang out with her? So cute. Good job, good boy. Everyone always thinks he looks so funny outside of feeding, because he's not insane.
Hey, would you right?
He's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, boo 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 boo. Oh no, did you sneeze? Oh, that's it. Perfect. And perfect. I don't know where Daisy is, though.
I think she's upstairs.
Oh, well, that's it. Sorry, you guys. Daisy's not in this video.